Okay, welcome again. This is another session for Drupal 10. So we're doing the installation with another aspect. So if you don't like the command line, you don't want to actually do much on command line aspect, congratulations, you have another step to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to download first Mamp. So we're going to download Mamp for Mamp Pro. If you want to subscribe, you can actually subscribe for the Mamp Pro. Then you can see more features. I'm just going to download the free one. Download the free one, which is this Intel. So depending on what operating system you're using, you can just download. I think mine is this. So I'll start downloading and the like. So this will happen, but I already have it downloaded. So I'm just going to pause this and let's see how it goes. So you try and download yours and meet me alongside on the video. Yeah. Okay, so once you're done downloading, you just launch it. I've launched mine now, and we have this. You can see it here. Go straight to next, continue, agree, install, and I'll just enter my password on it. And what's happening? Okay, so as I'm doing that, it's telling me allow. Just click allow on all of them. The solution is going to go through. So what this will do is that it's going to have your PHP installed, your MySQL installed. So two of them will be installed on your system. Instead of you going through the command line aspect, you can go through this, have it installed, and then we're good. Okay. While we're taking time, please ensure that give a positive comments. Depend on if you feel this is good, give your comments to encourage others to also learn. Also follow me on my GitHub. You can see it, Kesiko Git2. Follow me on my GitHub. Let's have you be getting a lot of new things on it, and that will also assist you. I'm also on YouTube and the likes, so you can follow me on YouTube. On my bio, you can see a lot of others you can follow me on. Okay, so I think the download is done. So we have it here successfully installed. So you close it. I don't want to move this to bin yet. So when you do that, we go straight to, let's open our Mamp. So go to Mamp. I don't have Mamp Pro, so I just open Mamp. You can see it here. Mamp will come up. What's this? Adverts. So you see your map here. You can start your service. So the service is Apache and also Nginx, depend on the one you want to use. PHP version, you can use 8.8, 8.08, or use 7. I think I'll just prefer the 8.08. Yes, select a version of PHP. Yeah, okay. So we're good. Let's go. So the document root is this, which you must put your file into to access it. So let's click start. So with this, you can click start to see the services, how they're going to start up. So by the time they start up, we're able to access other pages in it. So it's taking a little time. I just hope the ports are not clashing. I checked it on the preference. So once this is done, okay, yeah, I like it. Accept connection. Okay, yeah, okay. So let's go back to our map. So our map, let's go to preference. I want to change the ports for MySQL ports. I think this is fine. This is not the normal port for it. Okay, and then PHP, this is fine. Was on PHP 8888. Okay, I think this is good. This is good to have. Okay, so let's start again. I think because of the first time we're starting, that was why it took time. So we're up now. We just click this to take us to map. You can see map here, and also very easy, you can go to your PHP admin. You can see your PHP admin. There's nothing in it, no database, nothing. So this is very straightforward for you to access if you want to go this route. Okay, so first thing we'll do, let's create our database new. So let's call it Drupal 10 db. Yeah, I think this is fine. I just copy this. We'll create it. Then we're good. We'll go back to our Drupal sites. I think this is it. So we'll come to build this point. We'll go straight down and we'll download Drupal on zip. So click that to download on zip. Once you're done downloading the file, that's you downloaded Drupal 10.0.0. that's the first release of Drupal 10. Your version might be more later on, but all will still be within the same reach. So whether you're using Drupal 9, you're using Drupal 10, they are all same approach. The twig templating and all that. When we do that, most of our courses, you can check most of our courses where we're doing the development of it. So that will come handy. Now we're done downloading. I'll just unzip it. So I go to my files, downloads, unzip this. So we're trying to unzip it. Now what we are going to do is, okay, we're almost done. Yeah, so let's copy it. Let's get this copied, and we go to applications. From applications we have map. So I have my map. This is map. Under map you have htt. Yeah, this is it. So here I want to create I want to paste this item here. So yeah, so paste it inside so that you can have direct access to it and it can launch as expected. This is a quicker way for you if you prefer to do it the easy way. So okay, so I think I should just rename this to call Drupal 10. I don't like the hyphen aspect on the likes. Okay, so we're good. We'll go back to our map. Let's open our map now, and okay, launch our services, our map websites. Sorry, my website. So under my website I have whatever it is. I'm going to go slash Drupal 10. Your PHP installation is too old. Drupal requires Drupal World 0.10 to work. That's yes. So what it means is that we're going to install Drupal for a higher version of Drupal, higher version of PHP. But you can see this is already on installation of Drupal already. It's just checking the version and discover that this is old. because we are using here, we're using 8.0.8, but I think this requires higher version. So hold on, we're going to update the version we have on it, and then you see